Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This Cub Dispenser is here to save your space and your sanity. Whether it's the office, bathroom, gym, or classroom, it keeps your 4 to 7 ounce disposable cups clean, organized, and right where you need them. Just pull and go, no mess, no fuss. The upgraded wall-mounted design means no more knocking over stacks of cups or digging through cabinets. Plus, it's sleek in black, so it vibes with any decor. Stay hydrated, stay classy, and keep it efficient because life's too short for cup chaos. This magnetic RGB camera light is small but mighty, bringing a full rainbow of color to your shots. With 360 degrees full color, 20 cool scene modes, and a Cree, it keeps your videos, selfies, and creative projects glowing at a pro level. The 2500K 8500K range lets you dial in that perfect vibe, from warm sunset to icy cool. Snap it onto anything with its magnetic back and 3 cold shoe mounts because creativity waits for no one. Portable, powerful, and ready to light up your next masterpiece. This is the coffee printer, your new secret weapon for edible creativity. With this handheld print pen, you can DIY custom text, patterns, and cute designs right onto coffee foam, cookies, cakes, even bread. It's lightweight, portable, and insanely easy to use, making every cup and snack a conversation piece. Whether you're surprising friends, leveling up your cafe game, or just flexing your creativity, this little gadget brings big vibes. Because honestly, why just sip your coffee when you can wear your mood on it? This is the Nixie Tube Clock Kit, a retro-futuristic glow-up for your desk. With a vibrant IPS color screen, this digital clock throws back vintage vibes while flexing Wi-Fi precision, web control, and 6 digital alarms to keep you on point. Customize the dial, switch between 12 cool pictures, and fine-tune the ambient light to match your mood or aesthetic. It's like having a piece of time travel tech on your desk because why just tell time when you can show it off in style? This is the mini photo printer, your pocket-sized sidekick for capturing life's best moments on the fly. With Bluetooth 5.0 and zinc adhesive photo paper, you can snap, print, and stick your memories straight from your iPhone or Android. No problem, it's all in the paper, baby. Portable, chic, and dressed in pearl white, this little printer is ready to turn your camera roll into instant keepsakes. Because honestly, this is better than holding your favorite memories IRL. This is the Cuisinart Panini Press, your 5-in-1 stainless steel MVP for sandwiches, grilling, and way more. Whether you're craving a melty panini, juicy burger, or perfectly seared veggies, this griddler's got your back. With adjustable temperature controls and removable plates, clean up a breeze and cooking feels like play. Get ready to level up mealtime and flex those home chef skills. This is the Measure Up adjustable measuring spoon, your tiny but mighty kitchen sidekick in sleek blue. With a simple twist, you can measure anything from a pinch of salt to a full tablespoon, no need to fumble through a cluttered drawer of spoons. It's compact, clever, and designed to make baking and cooking easier and way more fun. Whether you're whipping up cookies, sauces, or cocktails, this adjustable spoon keeps you right on track. This is the couch arm tray, a bamboo sidekick that clips right onto your sofa arm like it was born to chill there. With a foldable design and a 360 degrees phone holder, it's the ultimate snack plus scroll station. Set your drinks, snacks, or remotes right where you need them, no more digging between couch cushions or reaching for the coffee table. Whether you're Netflix binging or hosting friends, this tray brings convenience and style straight to your armrest. It's the perfect little upgrade for your living room hangouts. This is the laundry shoe bag, your shoe's new BFF for surviving the washer and dryer without a scratch. Designed for all shoe types and sizes, this yellow set of 2 keeps your kicks protected while letting water and soap do their thing. No more banging noises or tangled laces, just fresh, clean shoes ready to hit the streets again. Toss them in, zip it up, and let the machine work its magic while you chill. Total game changer for sneakerheads and busy households. This is the sleeping pillow, your new cuddle companion. Designed with memory foam, this arched, U-shaped pillow offers incredible support and comfort for couples. It's perfect for resting your arms or snuggling during sleep, helping you relax together in ultimate comfort. Whether you're traveling or simply looking to enhance your sleep, this pillow's unique curved design promotes better posture while adding cozy support. Rest easy, together. This egg separator set is your new kitchen sidekick for perfect eggs every time. With 3 quirky, easy-to-use separators, it's never been simpler to separate yolks from whites. Whether you're baking or whipping up a protein-packed meal, these fun gadgets make cooking feel a little more playful. Made for efficiency, they'll help you master your recipes and keep your kitchen mess-free. Get cracking, because these separators are all about making your cooking experience a breeze. This bread maker is your ticket to fresh, homemade bread with zero hassle. With 17 settings, including everything from basic loaves to gluten-free options, it's perfect for beginners or seasoned bakers. The non-stick pan makes cleanup a breeze, and the 15-hour timer means you can set it and forget it, waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread. Plus, its low-noise design ensures you can bake without the distractions. Get ready to enjoy the freshest bread, straight from your kitchen, every single time. This metal sunglasses organizer is the sleek solution to your eyewear storage needs. With a stylish matte black finish, it holds your glasses in place with anti-slip pads, ensuring they stay safe and scratch-free. The convenient storage tray is perfect for stashing smaller accessories or everyday essentials. Whether it's for your desk, dresser, or tabletop, this elegant organizer keeps your space tidy and your glasses easy to access. Elevate your storage game with this durable and functional piece today. This 2-pack upgraded fruit slicing cup is your new kitchen hack for quick, safe fruit prep. With a removable blade and push plate, slicing strawberries, bananas, eggs, or grapes has never been easier. It's the perfect tool to create uniform slices every time, with zero mess or fuss. The compact, sleek black design makes it easy to store and clean, just a simple press and you're ready to serve. Make snack time a breeze with this must-have gadget that'll speed up your fruit prep like never before. This advanced ergonomic 5-gallon water bottle handle makes lifting heavy water bottles a total breeze. Designed to fit most 5-gallon water bottle caps, these handles provide a secure, comfortable grip so you can easily carry and pour without the strain. The ergonomic design ensures a better hold and minimizes hand fatigue, making it perfect for anyone who needs to lift heavy water bottles regularly. Plus, with a pack of 2, you've got one for home and one for the office. Stay hydrated without the hassle. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.